Hello there, Cheri here. Listen, we are having another, well, this time we're doing a 6-day Eat to Live challenge coming up. It's starting on Monday, so I really want you to sign up for it. Even if you aren't gonna do this challenge specifically with us, we're all gonna do it together live. You can still download it because you'll get free recipes. Sorry, I'm out of breath from going upstairs. Grocery lists and meal plans. We're going to tell you everything, how to make it, when to make every single little piece of it. And even if you don't do it with us live, that's totally cool. Might as well download it because you'll have all the free recipes at your fingertips, okay? This is never before released content recipe-wise, so make sure you sign up for this. Go to, sorry, oh my gosh, thewateringmouth.com/challenge. Sign up for that. It starts on Monday. I'm recording this video on Thursday/Friday before the challenge starts, so you have plenty of time still to download and get to the store and get going, okay? Hope to see you in there. thewateringmouth.com/challenge. There should be a link down in the description below. We'll see you in there. Oh, and right after the challenge is done, that following Monday, the Eat to Live family opens, okay? So get ready. See ya.